Look at this. Look at that yellow. Saturday, banana ice cream with mango and blackberry, digestive and peanuts, nice peanuts. This will be fantastic. Will be lovely with this type of season, this type of weather. Maybe you come back from work or from school or from beach. So guys, let me know what you think. Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much friends for watching. If today's your first time of seeing my video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video guys, I have a beautiful recipe. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your own banana ice cream. This is all we need. I always like to show you guys what we're going to be needed. Please guys, before I go further, if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button, give us thumbs up, leave the beautiful comment below, and share this video guys. Share this video with your friends guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your banana ice cream. Okay guys, this is all we need. You can use 2 evaporated milk if you are living in Africa. If you do not have access to get Irish cream is optional. So you use 1 condensed milk. We all know the gram of condensed milk, 397 gram of condensed milk, and evaporated milk. If you can't get Irish fresh cream, you double your evaporated milk. And guys, I'm looking for very ripe banana, but I couldn't have patience, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make this banana ice cream. It's optional. Is either you use 1 banana or 2 banana. When you use 2 banana, it will be more banana ice cream, but you can exclude. To be honest, tonight I'm only going to use 1 because the other one is not really ripe. We really need real ripe banana, but this is okay for me with it to just get the flavor of banana. You can use your this, I don't know. So guys, when you are doing your banana ice cream, you really have to remove the black stream or black rock. So the banana always have this, so hence you are not going to like your banana ice cream. Always remove this. You don't want this inside. So guys, as you can see, I've removed the black stream. You have to remove the black stream in order for you to enjoy your ice cream banana. So guys, you remember the evaporated milk. Don't add water, you add some of the evaporated milk to give it good taste, so that you are not going to be seeing the particle, the gel, the banana himself in your ice cream, or else if you want you can leave it like that, but I don't really like to feel the banana there. I want everything to blend, so I'm going to blend this with the evaporated milk. So guys, this is the consistency you need guys. Small 1 tin of condensed milk, number 397 gram of condensed milk guys we need. So we're going to go ahead. Consistency I love for my banana ice cream, so we're going to preserve them. So guys, I make it so many, you can double the volume, okay, but I love this type of volume. It's very okay. So I'm making a lot of them because it's summer here, so I don't have to bother myself. If you have a kid, you will know what I mean. I don't have to bother myself with ice cream. This will last them at least 1 days, I don't know, it depends. So it's summer here in Ireland, so I'm going to be making different ice cream guys. So at this point, you can put any topping, but it's a banana ice cream. You really want to feel the taste of banana ice cream, so you don't really need any topping. You can add sugar. The reason why I did not add sugar, because banana itself is very sweet, and plus the condensed milk, so I don't really want a lot of sweet. because we're going to be making ice cream. During summer I'm making loads of different ice cream, so I'm going to be uploading. So this is okay. Ice cream banana lollipop ice cream lollipop. Then you can just put this inside. So we make lollipop banana ice cream with this. So that's it. So guys, we are going to leave it you're going to leave it in the freezer overnight. Okay, I'm going to leave it for overnight. So the following day I'm going to show you the results. Morning guys, morning everyone. We are morning here in Ireland. So this ice cream, after 24 hours, this is how it looks. So this will be lollipop ice cream. You can make as well lollipop ice cream. So I'm going to remove this. So this is lollipop ice cream. It's under €3 we make 2.5 container of full ice cream. If you like, you can go ahead and dish it and enjoy your banana ice cream. But you guys, you know, children, their mouth is very sweet. So I'm going to show you how you can apply any layers you want. You can apply fruit. So now I'm going to be showing you. You can go ahead and make it plain, but I just want to show you that you can make any layers you want. This is peanut. You can blend it with the blender. I blend it with my smoothie blender. So one of the kids wants peanut, and so I'm going to show you. I'll add 2 spoons of peanuts, and this is digestive biscuit. And I'm going to yeah, nice. I don't even know how to do this today. Professional guys. So you can, this is homemade ice cream, homemade banana ice cream. So I'm going to be applying this digestive biscuits on top. That is one of the ones. So you can go ahead and do the same thing, guys. So then we have peanuts down. There's peanuts here, and there's the digestive biscuits. Guys, it's really, so you can apply any topping you want, and it goes this like this. So I love mango and I love berry. This is blackberry. So what I'm going to do, let me know how you make your own fruits. So this is my fruit ice cream, and I'm going to leave all the mango. That should be enough for me because I love, so I want fruit ice cream. That is mango. So you can go ahead. Let me know what type of layers do you apply for your own. I want to hear from you guys. Besides, I'm not an ice cream seller. I don't know how to. So guys, I want to know, how do you make your own? Do you do it the same way I make my own? So I'm going to be, yeah guys, yes, looking nice guys. Look at this, look at that yellow. So guys, this is it. So that is mango, that is banana ice cream, that is blackberry. If you're on diet, you just want to treat yourself, you can make banana ice cream, and you can just get a small portion. And all this portion now, believe me guys, it's not even up to 1,000. It's not up to 1,000 calories because there's a fruit there and just a 2 scoop. So this is how it looks. Guys. This is not worth 1,000 calories. You can treat yourself like this on Saturday. Banana ice cream with mango and blackberry. I'm going to go and taste it again, guys. Yum, yum, yum. So this is the fruit one, banana with mango, blackberry or digestive, and peanuts, nice peanuts. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. Leave the comments below and tell me which one do you like. If you're on diet, you can make this maybe once in a week to treat yourself. Ice cream, strawberry, banana. Eat your own plain, or do you have, you can make chocolate with it. You can make chocolate layer topping, and do you make your own with peanut and digestive biscuit? Let me know what you think, guys. This really look nice. Please guys, give my video thumbs up now, share this video, subscribe now, subscribe to my video after watching this. Guys, subscribe to my video, share this video with your friend, with your loved one. It's summer here in Ireland and this will be fantastic. This will be lovely with this type of season, this type of weather. Maybe you come back from work or from school or from beach. So guys, let me know what you think. Give this video thumbs up, comment, leave beautiful comments below, share this video with your friend. Guys, I have to leave you with this. Stay blessed. Bye for now.